Kanong ba Shillong kala Sakhi ka Jingpynlait ba ka Jingpynlait ka I am with you empathy art exhibition malapulong na ka project empathy ha ka Jingpynlait lang bat ka Assam Rifles Public School. Ya ka nga Jingpynlait lapulong ha All Saints Hall ya ka bala pleda u Justice Suman Sen Chief Justice ka Meghalaya kum kada ka sedang jong ka Jingpynlait ne ka exhibition ka batmu ban kantiyo ki kam isan ay ing baki kmat jong ki samlabadon sam.
So at the end of the day, what is important is that wherever you are, whatever you are doing, your sense of kindness, empathy will germinate in you from your very young days when you first enter the school. It's your surroundings, it's your parents, it's your teachers, mentors, groups, whoever you come across in your life. The main thing is this, the love and compassion. In fact, India has conquered the world with knowledge, love and empathy. Our history has also, over the years, have taught us, the students who are here, you must have studied the Bhakti cult in Indian history. Now this is all about giving, nothing to take. You give to the world. What you spread is your love, your wisdom, your kindness, your empathy.
We are very grateful to all the collaborators, to the participants, to our friends in the media, to Justice Somen Singh, Honorable Justice Somen Sen ji, and all the eminent people who attended this opening ceremony of the exhibition. Essentially, we are talking about empathy and we are trying to create a buzz about empathy in Shillong town through this exhibition. It is also a collaboration and also, it is basically to bring all the educators on board so that they can get started with the project, with the efforts of spreading the word of empathy in their schools. That is the idea, that is the whole highlight, and marrying art and empathy together is a very, it's not, unique, but it is a first of its own kind. Art has always expressed empathy through expression. And we are trying to bring focus to art, we are trying to bring focus to human expression, and we are trying to bring focus to empathy through all these endeavors and events. Thank you all so much.